Have you ever felt like you don't belong in this world? As if your soul connects to something beyond the physical realm? This feeling might not be just a thought. According to Dolores Cannon, an expert in past life regression and hypnotherapy, it could mean something greater about your existence. Imagine your essence doesn't originate from Earth, but from celestial realms. For nearly 5 decades, Dolores Cannon uncovered in Dolores Cannon's work showed some people might be angels incarnated as humans, beings of light and love, who chose human life to guide, help, and uplift humanity. Through Quantum Healing Hypnosis, QHHT, Dolores explored clients' past lives, talked to higher selves, and met non-physical beings sharing wisdom. But what does it mean to be an angelic being in human form? How can you recognize if you are one? Dolores provided signs of your celestial origin. From a deep sense of purpose to experiencing synchronicities guiding your path, these signs mark your soul's cosmic journey. As we explore this, keep an open mind. The universe is vast and mysterious. The possibility of being more than human is fascinating, brought to light by Dolores Cannon's teachings. Whether seeking answers about your spiritual journey or curious about angelic nature, join us as we uncover the 7 signs you might be an angel in human form. Let the journey begin. An unshakable sense of purpose. A compelling sign is having a profound sense of purpose beyond personal wants or desires. According to Dolores, angel incarnates often feel drawn to healing, teaching, or helping professions. They have an innate desire to serve humanity and make the world better. It's about fulfilling a larger mission. QHHT revealed these individuals understand their purpose from a young age. They are driven by deep empathy and a desire to ease suffering. If you constantly want to help others and feel unsettled when you can't, it might signify celestial origin. Second, a deep nature connection. Angels in human form often have a profound bond with nature and all living things. Dolores found many felt an innate, deep resonance with animals, plants, and Earth's natural rhythms. Those showing celestial signs also had an intense love and respect for Earth. They feel rejuvenated by nature and experience deep peace and belonging in its beauty. This connection is intrinsic. They understand all life is interconnected and feel responsible for protecting the planet. If you feel a deep spiritual bond with the natural world and are deeply affected by environmental issues, it may reflect your angelic essence. Third, experiencing synchronicities. Meaningful coincidences where the universe seems to send a message are common for angels incarnated as humans. Dolores believed these are guided by your higher self to lead you on your path. They manifest as recurring numbers, meaningful encounters, or events aligning with your thoughts unnaturally. For angel incarnates, synchronicities serve as signposts, confirming the right path or nudging a new direction. If your life is filled with these meaningful coincidences, it could be your higher self communicating and guiding you. Fourth, an innate universal love understanding. Angel incarnates carry an innate understanding of universal love transcending human affection or attachment. This profound love extends to all creatures and Earth itself. Dolores revealed such individuals can naturally heal, comfort, and uplift others, sometimes unaware of their impact. This love is characterized by non-judgmental, unconditional acceptance, seeing beyond the surface to the soul level. If driven by a love that deeply serves and connects without expectation, it may signify your angelic nature. Fifth, strong intuition and psychic abilities. Many angels in human form possess heightened intuition or psychic abilities, allowing them to sense beyond the physical world. Dolores discovered these individuals could often perceive energies, have premonitions, or communicate with non-physical entities. Their vibration is naturally aligned with higher frequencies, enabling access to insights not readily available to others. If you've always felt you have a sixth sense or experienced psychic phenomena, it might reflect your celestial origins. Sixth, a feeling of not belonging. A common experience among angel incarnates is the pervasive feeling of not belonging to this world. Dolores' subjects often felt different from others, like outsiders looking in. This is not from superiority, but a deep knowing their origins lie beyond the earthly realm. Despite being engaged in human life, they harbor a longing for their true home. This sense of alienation can lead to loneliness, but is coupled with the knowledge they are here for a significant purpose. If you've always felt out of place and long for a home you can't place, it might signify your angelic heritage. Seventh, an unexplainable draw to help Earth's transition. Finally, many feel an unexplainable draw to assist Earth's transition into a higher consciousness state. Dolores spoke of a great shift, a vibrational leap towards a new Earth, and angel incarnates are here to facilitate this transformation. They are the way showers, healers, and light workers, often involved in spiritual practices, environmental causes, or social justice movements. If you feel a deep inner compulsion to aid Earth's awakening and healing, to spread light and love, this may reflect your mission as an angel in human form. These signs revealed through Dolores Cannon's insightful work offer a glimpse into angels among us. If you resonate with these experiences, it may be an invitation to explore your spiritual path more deeply, embracing your role in humanity's evolution. Remember, being an angel incarnate is not about being better than others, but recognizing your unique gifts and using them to uplift and help the world transition into higher vibrations of love and understanding. We will now move forward with embracing your angelic nature and taking action on what you have learned. Dolores' work, particularly through Quantum Healing Hypnosis technique, QHHT, has unveiled the existence of angels among us, beings of light incarnated as humans to assist in the planet's transition and healing. These individuals are characterized by the signs we discussed. Embracing these aspects of yourself can be a powerful step towards living a life aligned with your highest potential, contributing to the healing and elevation of collective consciousness. If you see yourself in these signs, know that your presence on this planet at this time is no accident. You are here to embody and spread light, to guide others through your example of unconditional love and compassion. Your role is crucial in the collective journey towards a new Earth vibrating with love, peace, and harmony. Do not underestimate the power of your actions, no matter how small. Each act of kindness, moment of self-discovery, and effort to connect and heal creates ripples contributing to vast change. You are a beacon of light for those lost in darkness, a source of comfort and guidance. Take action now by embracing your unique gifts and abilities. Explore developing your intuition, engage in healing practices, or deepen your connection with nature. Seek communities resonating with your vibration, where you can share experiences and learn from others on similar paths. Remember, an angel's journey is filled with challenges that present opportunities for growth, deepening compassion and fortifying resolve. Trust your path. You are supported by the universe, spirit guides, and the collective of light beings dedicated to Earth's ascension. Keep your heart open, intentions pure. The world needs your light now more than ever. Shine brightly, love deeply, and move forward courageously, navigating challenges. Being an angel is not without difficulties, misunderstanding, loneliness, or balancing spiritual mission with human demands. Stay true despite skepticism or adversity. Practice self-care, set boundaries, and don't neglect human needs. Maintain faith in the bigger picture, your role and divine support. Each challenge strengthens your light. Final thoughts. Living as an angel in human form is a profound honor and responsibility. Your presence on Earth at this time is no accident. By embracing your celestial nature and navigating the human experience with grace, you contribute to the awakening and healing of the planet. Remember, you are never alone on this journey. The universe and multitudes of light beings support you every step, celebrating your courage and dedication to serving the greater good. May your path be illuminated with love, and may your light shine brightly as a beacon of hope and transformation for all. Your mission is guided by divine love and trust. Trust that you are always supported by the universe.